Good evening, class 6. Today we are going to do sums on ratio and proportion. Exercise 41, page 116, sum number 27. It's given, a cat seeing a mouse in front of it starts to catch it. In the same interval of time, the cat jumps 8 times and the mouse jumps 6 times. But the distance covered by the cat in 7 jumps is equal to the distance covered by the mouse in 5 jumps. Find the ratio of the speed of the cat and mouse. So, it's given in the question that 7 jumps of cat is equal to 5 jump of mouse. Okay, so 1 jump of cat as per unitary method is equals to 5 by 7 jump of a mouse. Then it is mentioned in the question that the cat jumps 8 times. So 8 jump of a cat will be equals to 5 by 7 into 8 jump of a mouse. That is equals to 40 by 7. Now in the question we have to calculate the ratio of the speed of the cat and the mouse. Ratio of the speed means the jumps made by the cat and the jumps made by the mouse. So jump of cat is to jump of mouse. This we have to calculate. That is only the ratio of the speed. So jump of a cat. Now this one 40 by 7 is jump of a cat with respect to jump of a mouse. And jump of a mouse is given in the question as 6. So 40 by 7 ratio is denoted as division. If I change the division to multiplication sign, I am going to get 40 by 7 into 1 by 6. So it is equals to 20 by 21, or the ratio is 20:21. Okay. So this is the ratio of the speeds of the cat and the mouse. Okay. Next sum number 29. The question is, in a school there were 550 students and the ratio of boys and girls was 6:5. After some time, 50 girl students joined the school but few boys left the school. As a result, the ratio of boy and girl became 11:12. Find how many boys left the school. So first of all, common unit we are taking as x. Unit x. Okay. Boy, since boy and girl ratio is given, so boy be 6x and girl is your 5x. Okay. Now the total boy and girl is equals to 550. So 11x equals to 550, or x equals to how much? X equals to your 50. Right. Now what is the number of boy? Boy equals to 6x, so 6 into 50, that is 300, and girl equals to your 5x, so 5 into 50, that is your 250. Now in the question it is told that 50 more girl students joined. That means 250 plus 50, which makes the number of girls as 300. And it is told that few boys left the school. Now we do not know how many boys left the school, so let the boys that left the school be y. So I can write 300 minus y. Now 300 minus y, 300 represents the initial number of the boys, okay, and minus y represents the boys who left the school, divided by the total number of girls, that is 300, and the new ratio is my 11/12. Now we are going to do the cross multiplication and find the value of y. So 3600 minus 12y equals to 3300. So 3600 minus 3300 equals to 12y, or 300 by 12 equals to y. So your 2 6 are 12, 2 15, 2 150s are 300, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 5s are 10, 3 25s are 75. So y equals to 25. That means the boys who left the school, that is equals to 25. Next sum number 30. The question is, a man bought a television set at rupees 1200 and sold it at rupees 1440. Had he bought the set at 1300, then what should have been the selling price of the set to keep the ratio between the purchase and the sale price unaltered? So cost price is how much? The initial one equals to 1200 and selling price is equals to rupees 1440. So what is the ratio of the cost price and the selling price? 1200 is to 1440 is equals to 1200 divided by 1440. 12 hundreds are 12 12s are 0 0, I'm cancelling it. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So 5 by 6, or the ratio is 5:6. This is my ratio of cost price and selling price, or the purchase price and the sell price. Now, if my new cost price is your 1300, so what should I write? This 1300 is my new cost price and X is my new selling price. So this is the ratio of the initial cost price and the selling price. Now we have to find out X, that is the selling price, from this. So we are going to do the cross multiplication. 5x equals to 6 into 1300, or x equals to 6 into 1300 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 6 are 30. So 260 into 6, 2 6 12. Sorry 66. So this one 36. Yeah, 1560. This is my new your selling price if my cost price is 1300. So that's it, class 6. Thank you.